Mr. Miko, the Indian short genius. Today we are going to analyze this YouTube channel. We will discuss about how he grew up so fast on YouTube. Because his first short reel got 55 million views. But wait, did he get success by his first video? Yes, but it is also true that it is not his first channel. He built his YouTube channel on gaming videos like Minecraft, but he didn't get succeed. But this time he found the right algorithm of YouTube, and then he started getting high views on shorts. So this brings me to my topics. How he succeed on YouTube Shorts channel. So today we will discuss 3 strategies that he follow for his growth on YouTube. Strategy number 1, audience retention. So when we talk about long videos, firstly we need clicks on our videos so that we can achieve our first step easily. But in the case of short, we don't need to do hard work on titles, thumbnails, tags and description. Firstly we need to grab audience retention. In the shorts we have only 60-second duration of our video. So focus on what you are providing to your audience for grabbing audience retention in the first click. About Mr. Miko, he shows problems in the starting of his videos and then he try to simplify it or solve it, like the Rubik's Cube puzzle.
एक रूबिक्स क्यूब जो मैंने कल ही खरीदा, पता नहीं क्यों, बट यहाँ पे एक प्रॉब्लम हो गई। ये मुझे सॉल्व करना नहीं आता और इसे देखकर मेरी बिल्ली मुझ पे से पहले मैंने अपने फ्रेंड से मदद मांगी और उसने मुझे ये आइडिया दिया, वो भी मेरी तरह नूबी है। सो अब एक ही रास्ता बचा है और वो है YouTube। पर यहाँ पे भी मुझे कुछ भी नहीं समझ रहा था, लेकिन मुझे ये करना ही होगा। आखिर इज्जत का सवाल है और करीब 1 घंटे के बाद मैंने फाइनली इसे सॉल्व कर दिया।
In this video he shows a problem that he don't know how to solve a puzzle, so he asks his friend to help him, but his friend also don't know how to solve it. So he go to YouTube and find the algorithm to solve it, and in the end of the video he solve it. So he focus on grabbing the audience retention by creating a problem and take them to the end of the video. In the starting of the video he mainly focus on grabbing audience retention. So focus on what you are providing to your audience and also focus on the 5 to 7 seconds of your videos. So if your video starting is not good, so you can grab audience retention. Strategy number 2, give your taste or touch. So what is my mean by give your taste? I mean to say that if you don't have content or you don't have a better idea for your videos, so you have to find it. Oh no, I am not saying that go and copy others content. I am only saying that find some content and make it better than last. For Mr. Miko, he used someone's content. Let me show you. His first viral short with 53 million views, I used the whole eraser. He says that he will use the whole eraser until it gonna. So there is a YouTuber creator named Isai Photo. He has 9.2 million subscribers on his channel. In this video, he also shows that how many strokes to finish an eraser. He uploaded his first video on January 13, 2022 and he has 17.9 million views and 1.1 million likes. So Mr. Miko found the content and he did not copy it. He make it in his own way. He focused on the transition, some funny things and more. And he uploaded this video on July 13, 2022. Don't say that he copies the date 13. Just kidding. And he got 55 million views and 2.5 million likes. So guys, give your touch to make a more awesome. So let's talk about strategy number 3, the video editing. By video editing, my meaning is you have to learn basic video editing. You have to learn that how you can add subtitle with your voiceover, how you can change scene in just few seconds, transition and some other things. In this video, he used subtitle for every videos and he focused on everything which is included in his video. He changed his video scene after 2 or 3 seconds. He gave voiceover after recording the video and the voiceover is like 1.5x speed. So also focus on things, and the special thing is he built his own community. People says that short video can't give us a community. Let me show you his community. He uploaded his videos about his Instagram account and he asked his audience to make 10k follower on his account, and in the few days he did it. So don't say YouTube shorts can give you community. So in this video we talk about 3 strategies that he follow to grow on YouTube fast. So if you like this video, so please make a like it